Hello everyone, welcome to Ensoll Tools Cutting channel. We're making cutting easier. Since establishment in 2015, Ensoll has been focusing on the research and development, production, sales of equipment and demo wares more than 10 years. Total has 2 wire factories and 1 equipment factory, with hundreds of related patents and serving over 50 countries and regions worldwide. In all departments, Ensoll places the greatest emphasis on the research and development department, aiming to provide high-quality equipment and meet the customization needs in a one-stop manner. At the same time, Ensoll have enough raw materials to meet the production capacity of up to 100 units of equipment, 50,000 PIX wires per month. Accordingly, with the parts machining equipment, to ensure the accuracy of the core components, such as the gantry frame and the large C plate, with an accuracy of up to 3 microns. According to the cutting method, Ensoll have gantry cutting equipment, horizontal cutting equipment, vertical cutting equipment, special shape cutting equipment, and exclusive silicone cropping equipment. We also provide customized equipment services, and we also provide one-stop services such as endless demo wares, wheels, and other spare parts. Ensoll making cutting easier. Just let us know your requirements, please.